Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be looking at the Tofune wireless lavalier microphone for iOS. When you open it up, there is the lavalier mic, there is the plug-in for the phone, and I assume down here is going to be the USB charging cable. So the lavalier mic is pretty simple. It has an on-off button in the front. It's got a clip for the phone. It's got a USB-C charging, and then of course the microphone. The part for the phone is pretty simple. Again, it's got an on-off button, and then your standard Apple connector for iOS devices. And then I expect this to be the USB-C cable. And it is what I expected. It is a USB-C with a USB 2.0 connector. So let's hook it up and hear how it sounds. Instructions say it's pretty simple. So you just connect the receiver to the phone, wait for the light to turn on, and then turn on the mic.